Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second UNESCO IOC Global Tsunami Symposium, 2 decades after 2004 Indian Ocean Tsunami. Reflection and the way forward.
Saat ini kita berada di Gedung Balai Mesraya Aceh yang merupakan salah satu lokasi terdampak gempa bumi dan tsunami.
Amazed with Saman dancing. So this is actually the philosophy behind. We are many people. We have many backgrounds. All of us have similarity. The singing which make the dancing moving together is actually our spirit. We do is let's play Saman dancing together. We move together, we are active, but we don't hit each other, no conflict at all, and running smoothly, fastly, in harmony.
"20 years remembrance Aceh, thanks to the world."
Tsunami paling mematikan sepanjang sejarah. Bencana itu telah menyebabkan 230 hingga 280 ribu jiwa meninggal dunia.
Kehancuran awal pertumbuhan, semua beban bunga kehidupan yang menangis, hapus air matamu. Kepedihan gerbang kebahagiaan.